Are you looking for the best glass food storage containers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best glass food storage containers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Misk Home Glass Food Storage Containers. When buying them, they come in a pack of 10. The containers have lock lids with silicone seals, thus keeping your food safe than ordinary plastic storage containers. If you fear anything about price, these containers are affordable and accessible to use. The locking lids are good if you have kids who like playing with their food containers. The borosilicate glass making these food containers is very strong than the tempered glass, thus making them durable. Therefore, if you have a group of more than 5 people, these are the best containers to buy. Number 4. BACO Glass Storage Containers. If you are a food vendor, these are the right containers for you. They come in 3 different types with 9 different sizes. The containers are made in a way that is safe to be used with your oven, fridge, and microwave. The only thing you need is to remove the lid before heating your food. In addition to that, they are easy to clean and even store. Most of the lids are airtight, thus making the containers spill-proof. Number 3. Utopia Kitchen Glass Food Storage Container. The Utopia Kitchen Glass Food Storage Container is good, and it looks nice. In most cases, lids fit well, thus easy to snap off and on. When buying them, they come in 9 pieces which are extremely suitable for many functions. With the lid, these glass containers can be heated up to 400, thus suitable for heating your food to any temperature. Number 2. Lacra Glass Food Storage Containers. The Lacra glass food storage containers are made with borosilicate glass, thus making them strong and durable. They are also oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe except for the lids. These containers are good for all types of occasions including picnics, sports, and even school. They can be used by all kinds of people including adults and children. Number 1. Prep Naturals Glass Storage Containers. With Prep Naturals glass storage containers, you have the freedom to cook your food at home and store or carry it to your working place. If you are not satisfied with the quality, you are free to return them and get a full refund. Under normal conditions, Prep Naturals glass storage containers are very durable and easy to use. They can be used in a microwave, oven, and even a freezer.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.